Crypto Legion 360.
The fusion of artificial intelligence and blockchain is not merely theoretical anymore, it is becoming a reality. One of the most fascinating developments at this intersection is the emergence of AI-generated tokens and autonomous crypto projects. These innovations suggest a future where intelligent algorithms do not just operate within blockchain networks, but help create and manage them entirely on their own. Let us begin with the concept of AI-generated crypto. Traditionally, tokens are created by developers who manually define their functions, economic models, and use cases. However, with the help of generative AI models, this process is becoming increasingly automated. Developers can now use AI tools to generate smart contracts, tokenomics frameworks, and governance mechanisms based on specific input criteria. In some cases, AI is even writing and deploying smart contracts on public blockchains with minimal human intervention. These AI-generated tokens are not just functional, they are adaptive. Some of them are designed to adjust their behavior over time based on user activity or market conditions. For example, an AI-generated token could alter transaction fees or inflation rates, responding to demand and ecosystem health. This level of adaptability was nearly impossible with static code, but becomes achievable when machine learning is added to the mix. Beyond token creation, the rise of autonomous crypto projects is perhaps even more groundbreaking. These are projects run entirely or almost entirely by algorithms. In particular, AI-run decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are beginning to appear. A traditional DAO is governed by a set of rules encoded in smart contracts, and those rules are typically updated by human proposal and vote. But now, some projects are experimenting with letting AI manage the rules themselves, allocating resources, or even hiring contributors automatically based on performance data and community engagement. This creates what some call a self-improving protocol system that can learn, adapt, and evolve without centralized human control. Imagine a DeFi protocol that detects patterns of user behavior, identifies and adjusts its fee structures or liquidity incentives accordingly, all without waiting for a developer update or a governance vote. That is the kind of autonomy we are beginning to see. However, with this new frontier comes significant complexity and risk. For one, transparency and accountability are major concerns. When AI systems generate or modify smart contracts, it becomes harder to audit and verify what those contracts actually do, especially if the model used as a black box. Users might interact with a protocol without fully understanding how its logic was written, or whether it is acting in their best interest. There is also the issue of ethics and control. If a DAO is run by AI, who is responsible for its decisions? If it makes an error, or worse, is manipulated through adversarial input, who bears the consequences? These are critical questions that both technologists and regulators must grapple with as the space evolves. Despite these challenges, the potential is enormous. Autonomous crypto projects could enable truly decentralized ecosystems that require minimal maintenance, are resistant to manipulation, and are constantly evolving to meet user needs. They may also open the door to more inclusive participants, people with little technical knowledge, to launch and govern blockchain projects with the help of AI assistance. In conclusion, we are entering a new era where artificial intelligence does not just support blockchain, it creates it, manages it, and improves it. AI-generated tokens and autonomous DAOs are still in their early stages, but they offer a glimpse into a radically different future, one where code is no longer written by humans alone, but co-authored by intelligent machines working to reshape the digital economy. Thank you for watching. If you found this topic intriguing, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and activating the notification bell for more deep dives into the intersection of AI, crypto, and the future of technology.
Thank you.